Today, I'm excited to show you the fastest way to scrape multiple psychology degree listings from university sites using Minexa.ai. No technical skills needed. Here I am navigating to the com.au page that already shows the results. Then, just click the Minexa.ai icon up here in the toolbar. The panel is open. Click I'm on the right page. Minexa.ai analyzes everything automatically. Pagination locked in. The full result set is within reach. Now decide, just the list, or should Minexa.ai click into each result and scrape its detail page? Continue for most pages, advanced if the job needs to click, scroll, or fill something before the list loads. See the highlighted section? Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai figures out every data field. You never have to set it up again. All fields found automatically. Select what you need, like course names, providers, fees, and they never get mixed up between runs. Developers, click API request and copy the code. The scraper ID and all settings are already filled in for easy integration. Hit the button to validate and save the configuration. The navigation is detected and ready. Every run goes through all pages automatically. One more click and the job is saved. Optionally schedule it or connect Google Sheets first. Click Run and Minexa.ai starts the job straight away. No silent failures anywhere here. Minexa.ai ensures every page matches the trained structure, giving you accurate course names, providers, fees, and descriptions without errors or partial data. Hit Export, and the full result set downloads to your computer immediately. Any website is now a data source for anyone. Developers get a scraper ID they can reuse in any pipeline forever, at any volume, without retraining.